Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make epic scrambled eggs. First, select 2 to 3 large eggs per person. Crack them into a bowl and whisk gently with a fork, just enough to combine the whites and yolks, adding a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper. Next, ensure you have a good quality nonstick pan and a flexible rubber spatula ready. This preparation is key for achieving that perfect, creamy consistency. Now, place your nonstick pan over low to medium-low heat. Add a small amount of butter or oil, letting it melt gently. Pour in your whisked eggs. The secret to truly epic scrambled eggs is constant, gentle stirring with your rubber spatula. Keep moving the eggs around the pan, scraping the bottom and sides to create those small, soft, and creamy curds. This process prevents them from drying out. As the eggs begin to set but are still slightly wet, remove the pan from the heat. This is crucial because they will continue to cook from residual warmth. For an extra creamy finish, stir in a small knob of cold butter or a splash of heavy cream. Finally, season with fresh chives or your favorite herbs and serve immediately. Enjoy them on warm toast or as part of a delicious breakfast spread. Remember, the biggest mistake is overcooking. Your eggs should always be moist and slightly custardy, never dry. For an even richer flavor, try stirring in a tablespoon of cream cheese or a dash of hot sauce at the end. Experiment with different additions like sautéed mushrooms or spinach to customize your dish. Also, for those looking to simplify their weekly routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.